Welcome to our educational journey into the world of genetics. Today, we'll explore how traits are inherited and why living beings vary, even within the same species. A trait is an observable characteristic that is passed down from parents to their offspring. Examples include eye color, hair type, whether you can curl your tongue, and even your blood type. Trait information is stored in our genes. Genes are tiny sections of DNA, our genetic code, passed from parent to child. These genes determine everything from how we look to how our bodies function. During reproduction, genes carrying trait information are transferred to offspring. These genes are like instruction manuals for building a new living being. So, what is reproduction? Reproduction is the process by which living things create offspring. There are two main ways this happens: sexual and asexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, an offspring inherits half of its genes from one parent and half from the other. This makes each offspring genetically unique. Asexual reproduction only involves one parent. The offspring is an exact genetic copy of the parent, like a clone. Examples include sea anemones and certain types of plants and bacteria. These organisms reproduce without mixing genetic material. Trait variation means that not every individual of a species looks or behaves exactly the same. For example, some cats have green eyes, others have blue. Some are playful, while others are calm. There are two main types of variation: genetic variation, which comes from inherited genes, and environmental variation, which comes from surroundings and lifestyle. In sexual reproduction, offspring inherit a mix of genes from both parents. That's why even siblings can look and behave differently. Look at these puppies. One inherited its coat color gene from the mother, and the other from the father. That's genetic variation in action. Environmental factors also influence traits. These include weather, diet, disease, exposure to pollutants, and even how much care an individual receives. Hydrangea flowers change color depending on the acidity of the soil. In acidic soil, they turn blue. In alkaline soil, they bloom pink. That's an environmental effect on traits. Trait variation helps a species survive in changing environments. It increases the chances that at least some individuals can adapt, survive, and reproduce. Imagine lizards in an environment with both green plants and sandy soil. Green lizards blend into the greenery, while yellow ones blend with the sand. This color variation helps protect them from predators. Think about this. What traits do you think you inherited from your parents? If you have siblings, what differences do you notice? How might your environment be affecting how your traits show up today? Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time with more fun science content.